bit discordant. Sorry guys, but this is the view now. Very pretty. Quite safe to walk because you can see where you're walking. Someone already started on this patch, I can see, because they've chopped down a few or some trees have fallen or whatever. So, oh, maybe that's it. Ah, there's the rest of it in the water now. Oh, I get it. Well, this little spot wanted to open. I don't know. It's open. Look, I wonder if those things are probably, those things in the water, I wonder if the ancestors used to eat the roots of those things. I don't know. I don't know about the native traditional foods in this bush as much as I know about my European ones in the bush. But I'm a willing learner, folks. We never stop learning. Look at this beautiful little creek, rainforest creek, somewhere in Victoria. At the crossing. Ha! So pretty. This is a stunning, 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 stunning place. Full of life, as we once knew it. Ha! Just a little patch. There's lots of little patches. There's a bit of a patchwork thing happening. But as long as there's a patch, we're right. Add those patches and see, it'll be good. We need to keep them. We need the frogs. There's no guppies left here because I believe of mining. Who knows? Don't know. Look at that. Cool. Little cupboard. Little cubby house cupboard. I'm wandering along the side of this bank, which I've now on the other side of the logs from this picnic ground. Now people are going to wander through here anyway, the kids. They're going to come for their family barbecues and they're going to explore. Before I cleared up what got cleared now, it was a pretty dangerous little spot. As a matter of fact, probably you wouldn't even go down here. And it was only, all I took away was some dead sticks. Dead sticks to trip you up. And that snakes can be very well concealed with. There's a little bit of blackberry, not bad. Beautiful little maidenhair ferns. Gorgeous, 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 gorgeous stuff. And now you can stand in the picnic ground. Now you can stand in the picnic ground. Oh, there's some more fungi. Well, what else are you going to see in a rainforest but fungi? She said. So there's another bit of stick. Look at this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful stringy bark. It's not string, whatever it's called. I think when I first got here I said it was the good old Australian bush. And the tree is a bushfire waiting to happen. So cool. White trunk. It's not a snow gum, I don't know, there's a million different gums. Eucalypts, whatever you want to do. I don't want to do Latin. I love that, the tree root there, because they tend to fall over in this environment and have the most stunning roots. Look at the grasses over there, I'll just zoom up on that. There, look. Beautiful snake hidey hole, kids. In summer. Bloody gorgeous thing, I just only just noticed it. The thing about the rainforest is that, or any place really, with such diversity, is that the more you look, the more you see. Just take some time and look. It's very, very nice. And if you can't come to Australia, too bad. You have beautiful things too. Look at the size of that. This is a beautiful, beautiful forest which has been logged and regrowth, and there's old growth and new growth, and it's a mixture. Absolutely stunning. I camped here for 3 weeks. No internet, the car didn't move an inch, or a centimetre, or a millimetre. Just me and this place. I almost don't want to leave, you know. You're in a place for a certain amount of time. If you stay too long, you don't want to go. I know I'm going. And I'll say the same thing about the next place, I suppose. And if I don't, I'll go to a place that makes me feel that way too. Well, what are we up to? 7 minutes or do. 7 minutes or do. Oh, I don't want to say goodbye, but I'm gonna. Lucky it's 10 minutes from my home. My real home, anyway. Look where I live. Ha! Over 30 years I live in this place. And I never found this place. Unreal. Here comes another visitor. I'll just stop filming in a minute and I'll just see who this one is. A bluey. I'm gone.